how to make Japanese bento. Welcome back to Happy Eating Challenge. Today I'm going to show you how to make bento in less than 20 minutes. Basically, you can make your own bento with the food that I introduced in this series. One thing you should keep in mind is the food should not contain the excess moisture to keep it safe. Making a delicious and fulfilling bento was my top priority as a mom. The basic structure of the Japanese meal is based on the idea of ichiru sansai. I hope you already understand this idea. As for the bento, the structure is closely related to this idea. But there are no rules for the number of the dishes, so you can decide how many dishes you are putting into the bento box. But in my case, I always put 5 dishes into one box. This is because I used to make bento for my son in his growth period. I wanted to put many kinds of nutrients in one box of bento. So you can decide how many dishes are put into your bento, but it should contain 1 or 2 protein main course and a few vegetable side dishes and rice. The rice could be white rice or brown rice or multi-grain rice, any rice of your choice. If you want to bring soup, there are good thermos soup pots. If you have one some soup pot, you can bring curry roux and enjoy it at school or office. Just one soup pot expands your idea for the bento. And the meal prep is extremely helpful for you to make bento in busy morning. When you make karaage, make an extra and freeze it for the future bento, and you can save your time in the morning. Dip in sauce and it will keep well in the freezer for about a month. You can eat it, just bring it to a room temperature. And you can also freeze the savory beef like this. In the morning, you can just put it into the bento lunchbox, still frozen. What you are going to do in the morning is making tamagoyaki and pan-fried sausage if you like. And then put it into the bento box with no gaps in between. If you leave the gap in between, while you commute to the office or on the way to the school, the ingredients move around and it doesn't keep its position. When you open the lid, it may be disappointing, so tightly pack the rice and other dishes. And if you don't like to put frozen karaage, you can make it from scratch in the morning, of course. And if this is overwhelming for you, you can make onigiri as bento. So you don't have to bring bento box back to the house and you don't have to wash the bento box for the next day. So this is maybe convenient for any of you busy people. Fill the onigiri with the satisfying filling like salted salmon or tuna mayonnaise. I always make tamagoyaki and kotro onigiri for my son. Or top with tsukune shaped into a flat disc like this to make it easy to eat with rice. It's a kind of hamburger in Japanese style, and this kind of protein-rich onigiri keeps you full longer. So having a good fulfilling lunch makes your performance at the maximum level and keep you in a happy eating flow. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you can make satisfying lunch from today. Click like and subscribe and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.